Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to find your Flickr user ID so you can use it to embed your Flickr albums. First, we're going to select our widget type, and our widget type is Flickr multiple albums. And in here, we have to put our Flickr user ID. So what is our Flickr ID and how can we find it? So you can click this what's this button and it will redirect you to the step-by-step instruction on how you can find it. And in our video, I'm going to show you how to find it also. So first, go into your Flickr page. In here, we're going to use these Flickr albums from Thomas Leothard, and we're going to use all of his albums in her Flickr albums. Now, our Flickr user ID is this. We can copy this or we can copy the whole URL, and if we paste it at Sociable Kit, it will always convert it into the Flickr user ID. And here it is. Now we can click next. Now this is our Flickr albums, multiple albums. As you can see, all of the albums that is in here is also in our Flickr albums. You can click it if you want to fully see what it looks like in the pop-up. If you want, here it is. And we can go back to the albums and you can see everything is working. And now if you have encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this will open up the Sociable Kit chat support. Now that is all guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys like and subscribe and leave the notification down below so you are always updated into our new video tutorials, and I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.